Solving rational equations, example 1. So we have 4 over x squared minus 6x plus 8 equals 3x over x minus 2 plus 2 over x minus 4. So when we first look at this, we have to first be able to combine these two fractions. So remember, in order to combine fractions, we need denominators, and then also we need to be able to simplify this one too. So we have to factor x squared minus 6x plus 8. So I'm going to factor it, and since there's no number in front of x squared, this is really easy. Because it's x and x, and then what two numbers multiply together gives me 8, but when I add them gives me negative 6, and that's negative 4 and negative 2. So now we need all of our fractions to have like denominators. So this is 3x, and I already have an x minus 2 here, so I need an x minus 4, so I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by x minus 4. So then I will have x minus 2 times x minus 4. And please don't remember that it doesn't matter the order of our factors as long as they have the same exact factors. So then plus 2 over, and then this one has x minus 4 already, so I need to add, or I need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by x minus 2. So that means all of my fractions will have the same. And now I'm going to simplify. So I'm going to do 3x times x, 3x times negative 4. So that's 3x squared minus 12x, 2 times x, 2 times 2. And then it's all over x minus 2, x minus 4. X minus 4 and x minus 2. Okay. And then I have this 4 over x minus 4, and then x minus 2. Okay, now that all of my denominators have the same, I'm going to combine my like terms, so that means I have to move this fraction to the other side, so then this is a positive 4 over x minus 4, x minus 2, so I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. And then there's an x minus 2 here. And then this is minus 4 over x minus 4, x minus 2. And this one's already a plus, so that will cancel out. So now I have 0 equals, and I'm going to go ahead and combine these because all of these fractions have the same denominator. So that's 3x squared negative 12x plus 2x is minus 10x, and then negative 4 and negative 4 makes negative 8, all over x minus 4, x minus 2. Okay. So now when I look at this, I need a factor of 3x squared minus 10x minus 8. And this factor is a little bit more interesting just because there's a number in front of x squared. So I have to think what two numbers multiplied together gives me 3x squared, and that's 3x and x. And then I have to think what two numbers multiplied together gives me negative 8. And that would be 2 and 4, and then this is negative, and that's positive. So remember, I'm just guessing, and then now I have to check it to make sure that I am correct when I factored it. So 3x times x, 3x squared, 3x times negative 4, negative 12x. 2 times x is 2x. And then 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. So when I combine this, that's negative 10x. So I am correct. This and this are the same thing. So that means I know I factored it correctly. If you don't check it, you could get it correctly, but then you could also get it wrong. And we don't want to get it wrong. So then we have x minus 2, x minus 4. And then since we're multiplying, x minus 4 and x minus 4 will cancel out. So we have 0 equals 3x minus 2 over x minus 2. And now we're just going to solve for x. That is our whole goal. So that means I'm going to get rid of the fraction. So I'm going to multiply both sides by x minus 2. And I'm going to multiply this side by x minus 2. But 0 times x minus 2 is still 0. And then I have 3x minus 2. Still trying to get x by itself, so I'm going to add 2 to both sides. And then I have 3x equals 2. Divide both sides by 3. And then x is 2/3, or 2 over 3. And that's it.